Sen. I've been coming to Breakthrough Physical Therapy for about a year now, working with Shanice. We've basically been tackling the issue of nerve tension that I started having after giving birth to my first child back in April of last year. The nerve tension that I've been experiencing is basically pain as well as tingling down my right foot, and we think it's being caused by a nerve being impinged in my lower back. So we've been working on that since I would say about July of last year, and we've made a lot of progress. I'm at the point where I can still feel a little bit of the nerve doing certain activities, but it's definitely not anywhere near the pain levels I used to have. I've learned a lot from Shanice in terms of all the different exercises I should be doing, and generally I feel way more aware of my own body and how to take care of it now and going forward. So for all of that, I'm actually really, really grateful for coming to Breakthrough and working with Shanice, and I'm very confident that in the next few weeks I can probably say goodbye to my nerve tension completely. Just from my experience coming here, there's been a lot of realization of my own, understanding how my body works and understanding how pain doesn't have to be part of the pregnancy process or even the postpartum process. I think a lot of women feel that you're already going through a lot of self-sacrifice, bringing a child into this world, and that having back pain or having sciatica, nerve pain, or just general discomfort is like a given. And I think throughout this process, I've learned that you don't have to accept pain as part of the process. Like being a new mom, you're already going through so much and you're doing everything you can for your child, that to make sure that you are at your ultimate healthiest, both emotionally and physically, mentally, that's ultimately the best way you can provide for your child, right? So that's something that I learned coming here is it's good to be pain-free, and that it's not normal necessarily to have to experience, lower back pain just because I had a child. So that's something that I would tell other moms, new moms or moms to be, is that yeah, there are a lot of things that will happen to your body when you get pregnant, when you have a child, you go through that, childbirth process, and a lot of it can be painful and not fun, but there are a lot of ways that you can, manage that. You can prevent it a lot of the times, and you just have to know the right exercises, the right, tools, and you don't have to just deal with it or bear with it. Like you can actually, learn to manage it away, or you can learn to not even deal with it in the first place.